Hey everyone! Today's video is a 5-minute routine for nose depuffing and sculpting exercises. For the first move, slide on the sides of your nose upwards for 20 seconds with a medium pressure. This exercise will depuff your nose and open the lymph nodes in this area. For the next move, start to massage upwards on the tip of your nose for 20 seconds with a light pressure. This easy move will help the tip of your nose to lift over time. Next exercise is for the muscles on the sides of your nose. With your index fingers, start to move in opposite directions on the sides of your nose for 20 seconds with a medium pressure. This easy move will work on the muscles in this area deeply and help them to tone and shape. For the next exercise, with your fingertips, start to massage in circular motion on the sides of your nose for 20 seconds using a high pressure. This move will open the lymph nodes in this area. For the next move, with your knuckles, start to move outwards on your face for 10 times with a medium pressure. With this move, you're gonna reduce any stagnant fluid buildup in the nasal areas. As a result, your nose will depuff. Next exercise is pinching the tip of your nose. Do this move with a light pressure for 20 seconds on the tip of your nose. For the next exercise, with your index fingers, start to slide from the root to the tip of your nose for 20 seconds with a light pressure. This exercise will help the nose to sharpen over time. Next exercise is to massage the sides of your nose and move upwards and downwards on the sides for 30 seconds. Massage with a high pressure, working deeply on the muscles in this area. And lastly, to depuff the whole face and move the toxins out of the face, we have a full face massage. Move from your chin upwards to your forehead and then come back on the sides of your face to your chin. Keep doing this for 10 times with a medium pressure. While you are doing this move, you are moving on the lymph nodes that are located on nasal areas, eyebrows, temples, and ears. In this way, you're gonna reduce any stagnant fluid buildup in the nasal areas. As a result, your nose will depuff and look slimmer and smaller. Lastly, finish the routine with a quick lymphatic drainage massage. Massage around your ears for 10 seconds slowly. Then come to your neck sides and move downwards on them for 10 seconds. Use medium pressure. And lastly, massage on your collarbones with a medium pressure for 10 seconds. So this was it for today's routine. See you in next video. Bye.